study tips to improve grades in studies. Rule 1. Waking up early in the morning. Sleeping early and waking up early improves the concentration and memory power. Scientific study shows that the brain will be most productive in the morning than any other time in the day. To improve one's grades, he or she must be awake by 5 a.m. in the morning. Revising yesterday's work every morning can help you memorize it for a longer period of time. Rule 2. Don't touch your phone after waking up. The study shows that high mobile phone use was directly correlated to increased reports of depression in both men and women. Avoid starting your day feeling rushed, stressed, and anxious. Stop checking your smartphone right after waking up. Instead, aim to start in a way so that your mind can relax. Start your day with a simple physical exercise or a small morning walk. Rule: prepare a timetable. Timetable may be defined as a system of organizing your schedule in a perfect manner to utilize your time efficiently and effectively. For student, time utilization is the most difficult part that every student is confused about. Anyone can arrange for notes, books, and tutors for you, but time management is something that you have to manage yourself. Your peers or family may help you with your project work or make notes, etc., but no one can really help you manage your time. Time management is the most important part of student life, and every student wants to manage it well, but not all succeed to do so. A study timetable is something that helps you to stay on track with your studies and helps you in balancing your study time well so that you know how to make a study timetable if you want to succeed at getting good grades. Rule 4. Focus on what you are doing. Focus hard on what you're trying to achieve. Don't let any type of distractions distract you, like you want to watch a movie on your phone or go out for a party with friends or family or blah blah blah. Always keep the pen in the book beside you to write down all the important things that you feel you may forgot or didn't get a clear idea on something. Rule 5. Take breaks. Try taking breaks for every 1 hour you sit. Studies show that breaks in your study routine can positively affect your attention abilities. Taking breaks from studying every 90 minutes or so can improve both focus and attention. In addition to taking regular study breaks, what you do with each break can matter, too. It's important to choose the right type of activity for your study break so that you can return back refreshed and focused, ready to get back to your books. During your break, don't try to watch movies, play video games, or any other activity that can stress you out. Going for a walk or taking with your parents or loved ones can help make you feel much more energetic so that you can go on with the task you have taken. Rule 6. Eat healthy food and try to avoid junk food. Research has consistently found that eating a nutritious, varied diet can improve concentration, enhance memory, prolong attention span, and improve thinking. Students who regularly eat nutrient-rich foods also display more efficient problem-solving skills, greater fact comprehension, and stronger mental recall. Eating too much junk food causes laziness and sleep, which should not be the characteristics of a student who wants to improve his/her grades. These 7 rules can help you achieve the grades you're looking forward to.